log into your Insiro account and click on Compose e-Sign. Click Browse Files. In the File dialog, select the Form 8879 that you wish to get signed. Add signers. Fill in the email address and optionally the role and name for each signer. If you have a verified cell phone number for each of the tax filers, turn on the Require Access Code, KBA, toggle for every signer that requires KBA and enter their phone number. You do not need to turn it on for the ERO. Add a subject and optionally an email introduction and click Next. Click on Signature in the left pane. There is no need to hold the click. Move your mouse to the first signature area and click once. A signature box will be placed there, and it will be assigned to the first signer you added. Click on any of the corners to resize the box. To move the box if needed, click and hold inside the box and move your mouse. Click again to add a signature box where another person needs to sign, such as in the spouse's signature area. To change the signer, open the menu below Change Signer on the right and select the spouse. The signature field is now assigned to the spouse. You may optionally add another signature box for the ERO. Click inside the signature box and change the signer as before, selecting the ERO this time. You may also add the date signed field. Click on Date Signed in the left pane and then click in the date area. Since this is a date field, we need to select the date format or accept the default. I'll go with the default. If the 8879 was not fully prepared, you may add other fields to be completed. Click on Text for any text to be completed during signing. If you want to add some text now, before sending it to the signers, click on Annotation and then click where you want to insert an annotation. Click Send. That's it.